Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the MUSETEX ATX PC Case G07. This gaming PC case comes with some impressive features, including pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, double-tempered glass, and more. Let's dive right into it. The MUSETEX ATX PC Case G07 is a mid-tower gaming PC case designed to meet the needs of gamers who want both style and functionality. It's available in a sleek black design and has a lot to offer. First up, it comes with not one, not two, but 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans. These fans not only keep your system cool but also provide stunning visuals with 16.8 million colors of addressable RGB lighting. The double-tempered glass panels on this case provide a clear view of your components and give it a high-end, premium look. There are 2 USB 3.0 ports on the front for easy connectivity, along with plenty of space for your storage needs, supporting 3.5-inch hard drives. The case is designed to be compatible with 99% of gamers' high configuration needs, making it a versatile choice for any build. If you want to sync the lighting with other PC accessories connected to your motherboard, this case allows you to do just that, personalizing your PC setup. Now, let's take a look at the technical specifications of the MUSETEX ATX PC Case G07. It's a mid-tower case suitable for ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. The case measures 15.28 by 8.86 by 18.43 inches and weighs around 17.89 pounds. It supports up to 9 expansion slots and has ample drive bays for storage. You can install radiators on the top and rear, and it accommodates GPUs up to 390mm in length. The maximum CPU cooler height is 176mm, and it supports PSUs up to 230mm. In conclusion, the MUSETEX ATX PC Case G07 is a fantastic choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for a stylish and functional mid-tower case. With its pre-installed ARGB fans, tempered glass panels, and versatile compatibility, it's a great addition to any gaming setup. That's it for today's review on UK Pro Reviewer. If you're interested in this product, you can find more information and purchase it on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tech-related content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.